Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 1999 BMW 5 Series. Beautiful car. It looks like the original factory burnt orange. I forget the name of this color, but a really cool color. Oh, that's right. It does have a factory hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see this dent. It's a little one on the back of the deck lid. Rear fascia, we call this. And it does have a factory hole right here, but I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to be kind of sneaky beaky on this one. I'm just going to grab orange. It's a 1999. It's a 18-year-old car. I know I could take these pieces apart, take the whole thing off, and put it all back together, spend an extra 10 minutes. But what I'm going to do is just go like this. Sneaky. Just kind of sneak in past that. And I'm going to find my tip right here. And if you guys would like to watch with me, let's start right there and get in here. No heat. We're doing this dent old school. I'm going to start at the very top, which to me would be up here by the edge. And I'm basically bracing it with the bottom of my heel of my hand and making some nice little baby pushes here. And at this point in the video is when I say, I sure do appreciate y'all clicking on this video. I really do. If you would, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And then the little bell for notifications always tells you when I'm going to go live. Now that one, gosh, guys, I hate to say that one came out that easy, but some do. So let's move the board back a little bit. Let's, get a finer angle if I can. We just put the board on the back of the deck lid. So I can come maybe back a little farther like this, a little higher, just space this out. Yeah, now it's almost impossible to see. There's a little baby low right there, which if we're getting really super perfectionist on this car, we will get that last little low out. You guys probably can't even see where we're at. I'm actually using, whoa, excuse the background wind. I'm actually using the little, I don't know if it's a chip in the paint or a little piece of dirt on the paint as my reference in knowing where I'm at on this one. But yeah, that one's pretty much 99% out. I'm just looking down the rest of the panel to see if I see anything. I don't know if you guys can catch this one for a bonus, but let's see if we can do a little tiny bonus dent. If you want to come around on the side this way, I'll show you the same type of dent right here. Oh gosh, I don't even know if you guys can see it. Let's turn this in real tight. See if we can get that bonus dent out. That's this little one right here. Maybe call this two dents in one. Sneak in the same exact way I just did. And I'm there we go. Oh, it's kind of tough to get. I think actually on this one I have to use this little hole, this factory hole that I just put the plug back in. And let me see if I can just sneak in here and get to that top edge. If I can't, we'll just call it the one on the rear fascia, and I'll get in there somehow. Sneak into that one. Yeah, but that's pretty tight on that top edge. So guys, we'll just call it this top dent. Came out pretty nice right here. Take a quick little look-see at it. Yeah, that one's gone. So I sure do appreciate you guys sticking with me on this little ding video. We have a couple more to do on this car. We'll probably post those too. So in the meantime, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.